Hi everyone! Welcome back to GlassLingo. Okay, you probably know these words. You've studied them. But here's the thing. Native speakers can instantly tell when you confuse them. In this video, we're going to fix 15 confusing English word sets that even advanced learners get wrong, once and for all. Let's start. First set. Use say when you focus on the words themselves. Use tell when you say something to someone. Use speak for formal talking, or about the ability to talk. And use talk for informal conversation. Here's a smart example to remember it all.
He said hello, told me the truth, spoke clearly, and talked for hours.
Quick native tip. If there's a person right after the verb, it's usually tell. Number 2, borrow and lend. Borrow means you take something and you give it back. Lend means you give something and you get it back. Example.
I borrowed a book and my friend lent it to me.
Native tip. Borrow equals you receive. Lend equals you give. Easy. 3. Watch, see, and look. Watch is an activity over time, like a movie. See is passive. You just notice it. Look is an intentional action. Example.
I looked at the screen, saw an error, and watched the movie.
4. Hear and listen. Hear happens naturally. Sounds just come to you. Listen is something you choose to do. You pay attention. Example.
I heard a noise, so I listened carefully.
Native tip. You don't really try to hear. It just happens. 5. Do and make. Do is for activities and tasks. Make is for creating or producing something. Example.
I did my homework and made a mistake.
6. Job, work, and career. A job is one specific position. Work is a general effort or the idea of employment. And a career is your long-term professional path. Example.
My job is stressful, my work takes time, but I love my career.
7. Trip, travel, and journey. A trip is a short experience. Travel is a general activity of going places. A journey is long, or it can be an emotional experience. Example.
The trip was short, travel is exciting, but the journey changed me.
8. Floor and ground. Floor is inside a building. Ground is outside. Example.
The phone fell on the floor, not the ground.
9. Fun and funny. Fun means enjoyable. Funny means it makes you laugh. Example.
The movie was fun, but the ending was really funny.
Quick native warning here. Saying you are funny, that can change the meaning depending on your tone. 10. Alone and lonely. Alone means physically by yourself. Lonely is that emotional feeling of being sad about it. Example.
She was alone, but not lonely.
11. Remember and remind. Remember is a memory in your own mind. Remind is when you help someone else remember. Example.
I remembered the meeting because she reminded me.
12. Raise and rise. Raise means to lift something else. It needs an object. Rise means to go up by itself. Example.
She raised her hand as the sun rose.
13. Actually and currently. Actually means in reality, or to tell the truth. Currently means at the moment, right now. Example.
I actually live in Paris, but I'm currently in Berlin.
14. Economic and economical. Economic is related to the economy of a country or business. Economical means it saves you money. Example.
The economic situation is hard, so we bought an economical car.
15. Lay and lie. The final boss. Lay means to put something down. It needs an object. Lie means to rest or recline by yourself. Example.
I laid the book down and lay on the bed.
One more native tip. If there's an object, it's lay. So, if this video helped you stop making these common English mistakes, then this channel is made exactly for you. If you enjoyed it, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more real English explanations. And check out my shorts. They connect perfectly with this lesson. See you in the next one, and thank you for watching.